Namaskar students. Today we are going to learn math subject chapter 2 angles. Angle means angle have two rays. Angle have two rays, but the angle have, listen here, two rays, but their origin is same. The angle have two rays. Listen, AB, ray AB and ray AC. Ray AB and ray AC. The angle have these two rays, but they have same origin. That their origin is A. Understood? And it forms an angle. Understood? When two angles have same origin, they form an angle. Understood? When two rays have same origin, it forms an angles. Angles are written these types of angles, and read how to read it. Angle AOB. Angle AOB means the main angle is O. Angle QPR means main angle is P. Angle NMD, main angle is N. This type. We can read this type angle AOB. Understood? Now we learn different types of angles. First angle is a zero angle. Zero angle. Zero angle means when both the rays lie on one upon the other. Listen here. This is a ray OA, and the other rays is also lie on the same ray, that is OB. Here two rays are there, OA and OB, and their origin O is same, so it is an angle. But these both the angles lie on one upon other. Both the rays lie one upon other, so it is called zero angle. It is called zero angle. It is called zero angle. And the zero angle is measure 0. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0. Its measurement is 0. Understood? You know the zero angle. Next one is an acute angle. An acute angle. An angle greater than 0 but less than 90. An angle is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. It is called acute angle. Listen. This angle have 90 degree. This angle is measure 90 degree. So when an angle measure greater than 0 but less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. Means this is acute angle, this is acute angle, this is acute angle, this is acute angle, this type, which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It is called acute angle. Understood? These are these also is an acute angle because it is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Next one is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This type. We know this is a right angle 90 degree angle. Greater than 90 degree means this type. This is an obtuse angle. This is also an obtuse angle. This is also an obtuse angle. These are obtuse angle. It is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Understood? It is called obtuse angle. Then the next one is a straight angle. Next one is straight angle. A straight angle. What is a straight angle? When both the rays are opposite to each other. Listen. Here MT. One ray is MT. Ray MT. And the other ray is MS. These, listen here. M is the origin of these both rays. M is the origin of these both rays. And these rays are opposite to each other. These rays are opposite to each other. One is going to this side and one is going to this side. Opposite to this. So this angle is called a straight angle. When both the rays are opposite to each other, the angle is called straight angle. We can draw this type. Straight angle. Ray AM and ray AN. A is origin. So this is also straight angle. This is also straight angle. Understood? Okay. And the measure of this straight angle is 180 degree. The measure of this straight angle is 180 degree. Okay. Understood? The next one is a reflex angle. Listen. A reflex angle. Reflex angle means, listen, this is called a reflex angle. This is called a reflex angle. Here O is origin, OM and ON both are rays. Understood? But this angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. An angle is greater than 180 degree and smaller than or less than 360 degree. It is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle. Understood? This is called a reflex angle. This also. This is called also a reflex angle. This is also called a reflex angle. Understood? When we take this angle is obtuse angle, but this angle is reflex angle. Understood? Because it is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Understood? And it starts from the sun. This is first ray. Understood? That it starts from here to here. This is so it's become a reflex angle this time. Understood? Then the next one is a complete angle. A complete angle. A complete when listen here. This is OA and this is OX. OX starts from this type and complete total rotation. Complete one round. OX starts this type and come here. This is called a complete angle. When one ray mean OX, when one ray complete one round, when one ray means OX completes this type, complete one round and come back to its original position. When one ray completes one round and come back to its original position. This is its original position. When it come back to its original position, the form angle is called complete angle. This is a complete angle. Listen. This is also complete angle. This type. Understood? So this is also a complete angle. A complete angle is the measure of this complete angle is 360 degrees. The measure of this complete angle is 360 degrees. Understood? So what we learn today? Today we learn an angle. There are many types of angle. You know, first angle, angle means it forms by two rays and both the rays have same origin. Both the rays have same origin. So when two rays have same origin, it forms an angle. And first we learn a zero angle when both rays lie on one, this type. When both rays lie on one upon the other, it forms zero angle, and zero angle is written as 0 degree. Zero angle is written as 0 degree. Then we learn an acute angle. An acute angle is, listen, an acute angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. When an angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. Then obtuse angle, an angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, this type. these angles are called obtuse angle. Then we know we have learned right angle. Right angle. Right angle means when vertical and horizontal lines comes together, they form an angle. It is called a right angle. When vertical line and horizontal line comes together and form an angle, it is called a right angle. Means a right angle measures 90 degree. A right angle measures 90 degree. Means an angle is measured 90 degree. It is called an angle measures 90 degree. It is called a right angle. It's called a right angle. Understood? These are right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. Understood? Then a straight angle. When both the rays are opposite to each other. When both the rays are opposite to each other, it is called a straight angle. And the measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Then the next one is a reflex angle. A reflex angle. You know this. This is the reflex angle. An angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. It is called a reflex angle. Then the last is a complete angle. When one ray completes one round. When one ray completes one round and come back to its origin, original position. When one ray completes one round and come back to its original, this is its original position. Original position, the form angle is called complete angle, and this complete angle measures 360 degrees. Understood? So today we learn these angles. Thank you very much.